Optimizing gut health with supplements. Science-backed insights. Hey everyone, let's talk about gut health. You've probably heard it a million times, but your gut is like a second brain. It's not just about digesting food, it's connected to your immune system, your mental health, everything. We're talking trillions of microorganisms working together in a delicate balance. But here's the thing, our modern lifestyles, not doing our gut any favors. Processed food, stress, lack of sleep, they all throw that balance out of whack, and that's where supplements come in. We're diving deep into the science behind probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes, the whole 9 yards, so you can make informed decisions about your gut health. The impact of gut health issues. Our gut, often referred to as our second brain, plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. It's not just about digestion, it's about how we feel, think, and even how we behave. So let's talk about what happens when things go wrong in the gut. When our gut health is compromised, it can lead to a cascade of issues that affect our daily lives. We're talking bloating, indigestion, those moments where you're like, did I eat something bad? These symptoms can be uncomfortable and sometimes even embarrassing, and it's more common than you think. Many people suffer in silence, not realizing that their gut health could be the root cause of their discomfort. Research shows over 60 million people in the US alone deal with this kind of digestive discomfort. That's a staggering number, highlighting just how widespread these issues are. But here's the thing, it's not just about physical symptoms. Poor gut health can have far-reaching effects on our mental and emotional well-being. Poor gut health can lead to fatigue, brain fog, even mood swings. These symptoms can make it difficult to get through the day and can affect our relationships and productivity. You know those days where you just can't focus or you're feeling down for no reason? It might not just be in your head. Your gut might be trying to tell you something important. Your gut might be trying to tell you something. Listening to these signals and addressing gut health can lead to significant improvements in your overall quality of life. Addressing gut health isn't just about feeling good physically, it's about feeling good mentally and emotionally too. It's about achieving a balance that allows you to enjoy life to the fullest. It's about having the energy and focus to power through your day and feeling confident in your own skin. When your gut is healthy, you can truly thrive in all aspects of your life. Understanding gut health supplements. All right, so how do we get this gut health back on track? Well, supplements can be a game changer. Think of them like reinforcements for your gut's natural army of good bacteria. Now, there are 3 main types of supplements we're going to talk about: probiotics, prebiotics, and digestive enzymes. Each one plays a unique role in supporting your gut, kind of like a team. Probiotics, those are the actual good bacteria your gut needs. Prebiotics, they're like the food that helps those good bacteria thrive. And digestive enzymes, they're like the cleanup crew, making sure everything gets broken down properly. We're going to break down each of these in detail so you know exactly what to look for. Probiotics, the good guys. Let's start with probiotics. These are the live microorganisms, the good bacteria that your gut needs to function at its best. Think of them like the friendly tenants in your gut's apartment building. They keep things running smoothly. Now, there are tons of different strains of probiotics, each with its own set of superpowers. Some are great for digestion, others help with immunity, and some even play a role in mental health. That's right. Your gut and your brain are constantly talking, and probiotics can help keep that communication clear. We're talking strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. These are the all-stars. Studies have shown they can help with bloating, diarrhea, even anxiety. So, if you're feeling off, probiotics might be a good place to start. Chapter 4, Prebiotics, feeding the good guys. Now, probiotics are great, but they need to eat too, right? That's where prebiotics come in. These are like the superfoods for your good bacteria. They're non-digestible fibers that your body can't break down. But guess what? Your gut bacteria love them. They feast on prebiotics and in turn produce short-chain fatty acids, which are like rocket fuel for your gut cells. We're talking about fibers like inulin and fructooligosaccharides. These guys can help strengthen your gut barrier, reduce inflammation, and even boost your immune system. It's like giving your gut's security system an upgrade. So if you're looking to really support your gut health, don't forget about prebiotics. Now let's talk about digestion. You eat food, your body breaks it down, nutrients get absorbed, everyone's happy. But sometimes that breakdown process isn't as efficient as it could be. That's where digestive enzymes come in. They're like the demolition crew of your digestive system, breaking down food into smaller, more manageable pieces. We're talking about enzymes like amylase, protease, and lipase. These guys help break down carbs, proteins, and fats, respectively. If you're dealing with bloating, gas, or discomfort after meals, you might not be producing enough of these enzymes naturally. That's where supplements can help pick up the slack. They can help ease those uncomfortable symptoms and make sure you're getting the most out of your food. Now, here's the thing about supplements. Not all supplements are created equal. In a market flooded with countless options, it can be overwhelming to figure out which ones are actually effective and worth your money. Just like anything else, there's a lot of noise out there. Advertisements, flashy packaging, and bold claims can easily distract you from what really matters. You've got to be choosy. It's essential to take a closer look at the ingredients, the brand's reputation, and the science behind the product. Not all supplements are backed by solid research, and some might even contain fillers or harmful additives. When it comes to probiotics, for example, many of them can't even survive the journey through your stomach acid. This means that they get destroyed before they can reach your intestines where they are supposed to work their magic. They get wiped out before they can even do their job. This is why it's crucial to choose probiotics that have been formulated to withstand the harsh environment of your stomach. That's why you want to look for formulations with enteric-coated or micro-encapsulated delivery systems. These advanced technologies help protect the probiotics as they pass through your digestive system. These are like tiny protective shields that make sure the probiotics make it to your intestines alive and kicking. Once they reach their destination, they can start to colonize and provide the health benefits you're looking for. And the same goes for prebiotics. Prebiotics are the food that fuels your probiotics, helping them thrive and multiply. You want to make sure you're getting them from high-quality, well-researched sources. Not all prebiotics are created equal, and some might not be as effective in promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Don't just grab the cheapest option off the shelf. Price can be an indicator of quality, but it's not the only factor to consider. Do your research, read the labels, and make sure you're getting the good stuff. Look for transparency from the brand, third-party testing, and positive reviews from other users. Your health is worth the extra effort. So, how do you navigate the world of gut health supplements? With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for you. But don't worry, we're here to help you make an informed decision. Well, here are a few practical tips that can guide you through this process and ensure you get the most out of your supplements. First off, read the labels. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. The label provides essential information about the ingredients, dosage, and any potential allergens. Look for clinically tested strains and clear CFU counts for probiotics. These details can tell you a lot about the quality and effectiveness of the supplement. CFU stands for colony-forming units, and it tells you how many live and active bacteria are in each dose. This is important because the effectiveness of probiotics depends on the number of viable bacteria they contain. Higher CFUs generally mean a more potent probiotic. However, more isn't always better. It's about finding the right balance for your specific needs. Next, think about combining prebiotics and probiotics for a 1-2 punch. Prebiotics are like food for the probiotics, helping them thrive in your gut. This combination is called a symbiotic, and it's like giving your gut the ultimate support system. Symbiotics can enhance the survival and activity of beneficial bacteria in your gut. And finally, don't be afraid to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current condition. They can help you tailor your approach based on your specific needs and any underlying health conditions. This ensures that you're not only choosing the right supplements, but also using them effectively. Remember, everyone's gut is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you and your unique body. Keep track of your supplement intake and note any changes in your health. This can help you and your healthcare provider make any necessary adjustments. With these tips, you're well on your way to making informed decisions about your gut health supplements. Here's to a healthier, happier you. At the end of the day, taking care of your gut is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and well-being. It's about more than just avoiding digestive discomfort. It's about having the energy to live your life to the fullest, feeling sharp mentally and feeling confident in your own skin. By investing in the right supplements and making informed choices, you can achieve that balance and experience the freedom of a healthy gut.